Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss this important question from the chapter Heights and Distances. Here the question is, two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. Width of road is given here. This is 80 meter. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distances of the point from the poles. So this question will be more clear with the help of this diagram. Suppose here AB and CD are two poles on either side of a road of width 80 meter. Here AB and CD are two poles of equal height standing on either side of a road, and width of this road is 80 meter. Means distance of foots of these two poles is 80 meter. And there is a point between B and D. Suppose point E is here, such that angle of elevations of top of the poles are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. 60 and 30. Suppose this angle is 60 degree and this angle is 30 degree, angle of elevations. Then find the height of the poles. We have to find out AB and CD and the distances of the point from the poles. Means we have to find out BE and DE. So suppose here heights of the pole, which is AB or CD, suppose this is H. And let us take this distance BE is equal to X, and therefore DE will be 80 minus X. So we have to find out here values of X and H. Let us take right angle triangle ABE. Solution. In triangle ABE, this is 60 degree. So we will write here tan of 60 degree is equal to perpendicular by base, means AB upon BE. And we have supposed BE is equal to X. Correct? Therefore, tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 is equal to AB is H and BE is X. And therefore, H is equal to root 3 times of X. Correct? Now let us take right angle triangle CED. In triangle CED, tan of 30 degree is equal to perpendicular CD by base DE. This is 90 degree. And therefore, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equal to CD. CD is height of pole, that is H. And DE we have supposed how much? 80 minus X. DE is 80 minus X. Correct? Now in place of H, we can put root 3x. So therefore 1 by root 3 is equal to, H is equal to root 3x upon 80 minus X. By cross multiplication, 3x is equal to 80 minus X and therefore 4x is equal to 80 or x is equal to 20. So distance BE is equal to, therefore distance BE is equal to 20 meter. DE is equal to distance of the point E from this pole, means DE is equal to 80 minus 20. 80 minus 20 is equal to 60 meter. And we have to find out height of the pole, and therefore height of the pole h is equal to root 3 times of x, means root 3 times of 20. You know, root 3 is 1.732. So 1.732 into 20, and this is equal to 34.64 meter. This is height of the pole. This is height of the pole. So these are the answers. One answer is BE. Distance of this point E from B is 20 meter. Another answer is 60 meter. DE is 60 meter. Distance of this point E from another pole is 60 meter. And height of the pole is 34.64 meter. So in this way we can do these questions very easily. Just we need to understand the technique of solving the problem. So dear students, thank you very much for watching this video, and please remain in touch with my videos so that you could get proper command over these topics. Thank you very much.